Have you brushed your teeth? Are you ready for test? Okay. Get your disclosing tablets out and chew them.
I'll be right back.
What are you gonna do now?
Eat the disclosing tablets. Okay. Well, I made this one, not all of these, because then that would be stupid. Because then I'll eat the plastic, which is not good, and I'll probably die. So this one.
Yeah.
Oh my teeth. Oh my teeth.
Can we see? What color is it? Yeah?
What?
Can you rinse your mouth once? Yeah, now show your teeth. This way. So the pink is new plaque and the blue is the old plaque. Let's see. Show it. Show it, please. That's a lot pink, isn't it? How about you brush your teeth once and then let's do it one more time. Good? Good idea?
Yeah, but I got a mustache.
Okay, get your toothbrush up. Dash, have you brushed your teeth just now? So where is your disclosing tablet?
Right here, man.
Okay then. Would you like to chew it and see? Show your teeth first. Yeah, they are pretty white. Now go on. Chew it. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, I think we should see now what color it is. Yeah, rinse your mouth one time. Let's see. Close the tap. See, it's not pink anymore, so no new plaque.
There's still a little bit of pink.
Little bit is okay. Can I see? Can you stay still and show your teeth? Oh, not like that. Just yeah. So now you know you brushed your teeth and you don't see as much of pink anymore. Good?
And I get a mustache.
Yeah.